Try it again, huh?
Give her a shot. Nope, no spark. Well, something's not working. Well, here we are on day 2. We're going to try this again.
Ignition.
Turn the distributor a little bit. So. What's going on here? What? You got spark?
That's spark.
Let me give it a drink. I'm just going to give it a good solid drink of gas.
I thought you were going to get more gas, but
I was, but
I talked you out of it, didn't I?
no, I was just so excited that I didn't get that far. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Turn on. Ready?
Yep. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yep. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Okay, yeah, we're out of gas. Okay, yeah, we're out of gas.
Ooh,
You're
see,
in
that's
it.
fire
That was-
too. Ooh, seen that fire too. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to hear after this.
Okay,
Whoa.
that's too advanced. What's wrong now? Oh, hold it, shut it off.
Smoke.
It's just a gushing fuel.
Uh-oh.
This is awesome!
And your oil,
Finally, some noise!
the oil pressure was bouncing between the 40 and 60, so right around 50 pounds.
50 to 60 pounds of oil pressure. Oh, you can't do better than that. I mean, you can, I suppose, but I've seen these engines, this particular kind of engine, run on 8-9 pounds of oil pressure and pull a house up a hill. You know, it's just,
Wow.
they just don't care. And so with that kind of oil pressure, this bad boy's got to be happy.